2.5. 2 points are still for you. Then you can, if you wish, you can go. And punch list. We also want to see the punch list procedure. And they are showing. He's showing. Yeah, he's showing. So I mean, they are showing the inspection report and material receipt report. RFI.
Whatever the observations we are giving,
Yeah. And punch list, I mean, we will understand from them what is the punch list procedure, and do you have punch list A, B, C, and are you closing it?
We are following.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah, you can share this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is one inspection test report.
Correct.
So this is the RFI
Okay.
we shared with the
Very good.
company. This is all I'm showing with the portal which we are submitting to the company. See, this report
very
is
good.
closed out. We are submitting to the company. Company is accepting this one also. If the report, this RFI report also, we can share with you. It is closed out.
Okay. So I need one report. You can send it to Mr. Shivaraman, and
This
then I
is
will take
this is the RFI and signed by all the parties. Signed. You as know the TPI. So these are all the TPA signature. It is done at the source inspection.
yeah.
They are signing it. All the
And the lab report. Can you show the lab report? Can you show the lab report?
Yes.
I think this is lab report, right? This is certified.
Yeah. If you see, these are all the FAT reports.
Yeah.
This is the FAT
Yeah,
report
correct,
at the vendor premises, MESC. It is signed by all the parties. This is along with the RFI.
Okay. Good. So now I will share my screen. I have a last point from you.